Hello and welcome. Well, this is starting off. I had an incident maybe about a week ago where I wasn't just sure. I was suffering from heat exhaustion, and I wasn't just sure if I'd taken the medicine that I was supposed to take. I really wasn't. And so I got one of these handy dandy pill things, and I did use it for a week, but it has AM and PM. But I only take things in the evening. So what I'm doing now is taking the stuff that I should be taking, and even though I don't take it in the morning, I'm going to have this last for 2 weeks instead of one. So there's the first thing. And then, they're getting away. So normally, but I'm the only one who's going to handle these, I would try and be very careful about not touching anything. And tipping it onto the lid and putting it into my mouth. Okay, there's two. And there's two. So then I do not have to worry. About screwing up. So later, tonight, I will do Saturday AM. And I will do the whole rest of the week. And then I'll move on to the PM. And the only way this could go bad if somehow something happened to me and somebody said, oh, look, we better give him this stuff in the morning as well as the evening. And by the way, here, I don't do this often. But I'm going to just a little wee thing, just to, how would you put this? Just to dance amongst the ice cubes. Now this stuff was not cold, so the ice will melt a bunch. That'll dissipate things. And it will be good. But I've been doing my best not to. But with the... lately there have been many stresses and stuff and heat exhaustion, and right now I'm suffering from pink eye. I haven't been outside. I guess this is the third day because the sun is just too bright. Too bright it is. Very, 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 very bright. Okay. So, we have a charging cord. Now that should have settled in nicely. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is a beautiful thing. I don't like it mixed very strongly. Just a gentle thing to sort of get me going. Okay, so here we have a power cord. Now, I need to move this. I'm not going to dump this. It's too sacred to spill. Here we have a power cord. And here we have a pet. So, a 4032. And these things typically go in upside down. This has sat here for a while, certainly longer than it, well, maybe it's right side up, longer than it needed to attain, oh my word, that's not moving much. Oh, okay. No, you know what? I'm going to put this down. I'm going to put this down. And I'm going to shuffle things over here a little bit. And I'm going to have another sip. Oh, yes. I'm going to get this right out of the way, so that nothing bad can happen. Okay. All right. So, here we have the Fat 40. Now, as I remember, it has in it something. Oh yeah, probably a chip from the batteries included arbiter system. So that might change whether this works well or not. I don't know. We'll just see. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to listen. And I'm going to look. I didn't hear much of anything there. Usually there's a bit of an inrush sound, but I don't hear anything. I really don't. So let's open this up again. Oh, no. And let's have a look. So, it's off. So this here, at the front, is the power connector. This is the monitor connector. This is the keyboard connector. Well, something is happening here, because the power bar over here, I have this plugged into a spot on it. I really need to move this light farther back. I have this plugged into a spot on the power bar that does, it activates the rest of the things, and unless something is in there that's on, nothing happens. But it's clicking, so it is getting power. I'm going to touch things to see if anything in a short time is getting remarkably hot. Of the main chips, I don't feel anything getting remarkably hot. Then there's a whole bunch of RAM chips and other things here. Well, that's too bad. See, I mean, you hear that click. I don't know if you could hear that click, but I think that means that the power supply is juicified. I believe it does, because that's clicking. But I'm hearing nothing. Over here. Nothing. Well, that's too bad. Because can't really test it. I mean, can't do much of anything. Oh well. Doesn't mean it's dead. It's just not. It's not working now. So One thing I do want to do, in here there's two ROM chips that are EPROMs, and I've talked about this before. That's an erasable, programmable, read-only memory. It means if you put the thing under light, UV light, it'll blank the chip, and then you can program it again. Very beautiful, very wonderful, very fantastic. But I don't like having them exposed to the light, so I think I'm going to look for. Best thing I know is the little Write Protect stickers for 5 1/4 inch discs. They fit beautifully over the windows on such a thing. They do. Anyway, well, this is doing nothing at the moment. I suppose what I could do, and what I might do, is go and search for some of the things that Rudy has tinkered on and brought back to me. And I could put something over top of this and lay another board on there and plug it in and see what's what. I could indeed. So maybe I'll think about that. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.